Hello everyone, this is Dr. Muthukumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savitha Engineering College. Now I am going to present the capstone project on IUCE online teaching course, in which I have chosen Moodle LMS to implement my capstone project. Now we can move into the demonstration part of this course. Here I have created Moodle link. Here I enter into my login, then we can go and see the site home. Here we have my courses, in which I have created the unconventional machining process, in which first I have given the announcement by the students about the starting of the course, welcome to the course, and the content and assignments. When we are going to upload the content in the YouTube videos, and when we have the syllabus, and when we are going to submit the assignments and all. Now we move into the introductory module of this course. Here first we see the course outline for this course. It consists of the course outcome for this course ME 8073 unconventional machining process, and these are the 5 course outcomes, and these are the mapping of COs with POs. Then we move into the participants. Here we can see there are the 5 participants have enrolled for this course. They are active. Now we move into the next part in the introductory module, that is the prerequisite for this particular course. These are the 3 courses the students should study before this unconventional machining process course. Now this is the class timetable. I am handling the 2 slots, 3J71 and 3K71 for this particular semester. Then we move into the next part of this module, that is the syllabus. This is the syllabus. I have uploaded the objectives, all 5 units, and the course outcome, textbooks and references are available, and I uploaded the lesson plan for this particular course. This is the lesson plan. Unit wise I have given, and I am going to conduct the live session as well as the record session for all the 5 units. Some sessions are in live, and some sessions we have uploaded in the Moodle. The students will see the videos and learn in their own time at home. And now you see the previous year question paper. This is the some sample question papers, previous year Anna University question papers for the students' reference purpose, and the self-study materials and the video lectures are available. This is the self-study video lectures available in the NPTEL websites prepared by IIT Kharagpur, and for example this is the reference video. The professor will take the classes, and we given all the lectures for they will understand the processes more clearly. Then now we move into the next part of this course. This is the contact hours for this my course. I have given these are the contact hours, and also I have given the meeting hours and discussion forum for student grievances related to the course we given, and all the students are responded. They given the nice feedback about these discussions. And next we move into the module 1, in which first we can see the recorded videos for this particular module. This is the one video. I have uploaded the videos in the my YouTube link, Innovative Learning of Engineering. This is the my YouTube link. All the videos are uploaded, and a lot of views are already it is happened. Similarly, I have conducted the class in the Google Meet, and also the Google live lecture videos also recorded, and it is also uploaded in the UDIP, and the lecture materials also, handwritten lecture materials also I have uploaded for the student reference purpose. They will learn their own time, and they will read the everything. I have given these materials to the students also. Now we move into the assessment part, in which first assessment is quiz. This is the multiple choice questions, as well as I have given the true or false type questions, in which we can able to see this is the students' attendance finished and the marks got in this particular quiz program. Now we move into the assignment part of this particular thing. This is the assignment. They done, and they submitted their assignments. This is the question paper of the assignment. I have framed these question papers. This is actually the question papers I given, and the instructions and the questions and the course outcome and the Bloom's taxonomy also level also we have here. Then we move into the submissions. View also submission. The students submitted all those things. I have given the marks and graded, and finally we move into the all the grades obtained by the students. For example, this Santosh Kumar, they got 490 marks, and Rupesh Kumar got 10 plus 95. So this is the marks they got. Now we move into in the module sessions. We can further move into the assessment part. That is the discussion forum I have created for module 1. This is the discussion forum. They have given I have given one challenging question. They have answered for this particular question. These are the things. Now we move into the next part in the assessment thing. I have created the graded discussion also, and I given the evaluation criteria based on these points. We have graded these things, and all the students, they have submitted their answer. This is the answer for this particular questions they provided, and they given the discussion part. The students will exchange their ideas and knowledge. Now we move into the next important part, that is the feedback by the students. All the students, they will show their I have given the questions, they done this evaluation they given. Also the students, they done the testimonial part also they given. These are the some testimonial students given. Now we move into this particular last part of this my reflections on online teaching. This is the motivating for students online learning. I have learned various lessons, Moodle, Canvas, Google Classroom. I learned lecture pre-recording softwares and live recording softwares and software tools for active teaching and online assessment methods. And online teaching is best one for current situation. In future also, flexible time to learn by students, and efficient and active visual learning, and it gives the saving a lot of time on traveling cost and time when opting for an online, more comfortable learning environment, networking opportunities. My sincere thanks to IUC team headed by Dr. Krishna Vedula and course coordinator Dr. Keith Fernandez, resource persons of all the sessions, and the management of Savida Engineering College, and the principal, and the faculty friends, and the family members, and my students, and finally all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.